Good morning. Now I am going to explain the characteristics of Gunn Diode oscillator. So first we are going to find the gun bias voltage versus gun current. For doing that, first we have to turn on the gun power supply. Make sure these two knobs are in the maximum position and this is in the 0th position. So after turning on, set the voltage. The voltage is 0 and see the current by turning this knob. So at 0 it's 0. Now set it in voltage and set the voltage as 1 volt. So after setting the voltage as 1 volt, see the current. So current is 0.110. That is 110 milliampere. So take a similar way, increment the voltage in 0.5 increments. Next take it for 1.5, then 2.5. So for each of the readings, take a note of the current. So that would be the gun bias voltage and the gun current. So after measuring it, when we plot the graph would be first initially it would be increasing, then it would be decreasing and slightly increasing. We can see in these readings. So first it is increasing up to 300, then it's decreasing. Then again it is slightly increasing up to 260. So that's the characteristics of the gun bias voltage versus gun current. So next we will be taking finding the gun bias voltage versus output voltage. So for taking that, first we have to first turn on the oscilloscope, then increase the bias voltage. So increase it until we get a square wave. So we are getting a square wave. So at 7 volt we are getting the square wave. So take a note of the gun bias voltage, and for finding the frequency what we have to do is adjust the frequency now meter, and we will be seeing a small blip, and again we will be getting the same graph. So take a note of that frequency in the frequency meter. So that would be our frequency. So again keep on increasing the voltage. With slight increments vary the bias voltage. So we will be seeing the difference in the output voltage graph. So for measuring the output voltage, count the number of boxes. That is 2. For each of the readings it is 0.2 each of the lines. So 2.5 boxes. So 2.5 into 0.02. And again vary the bias voltage. So you will be getting differences in the output graph. So for each of the small differences, take around 15 readings and find the frequency also. The frequency will be mostly constant, and take the output voltage by multiplying the gun bias voltage with the 0.02 volts, and we will be getting the output voltage in volts, and plot the graph. So it's increasing from 0.16. So after a certain point it's 0.25. So it's remaining constant. So we will be getting this graph. So that's the characteristics of the gun diode oscillator.